Everybody's talking about this salt trick that gets men rock hard for hours in bed. It might sound bizarre, but your wife or girlfriend will thank you for watching this video. Now let me tell you about someone I met in my last trip. It's kind of funny because I really liked him. He was super cool and everything, but I confess I wasn't expecting much in bed because of his age. But the next day, guys, I could barely walk. Seriously, this man was 53 and I had to ask him to stop, okay? He made me get there 7 times. I had no more energy and he wanted to keep it going. He was super cool about it and he told me his secret. He owned a nightclub and the guys that worked for him use this 15-second salt trick every night so they can handle 3, 4, even 5 clients in a row. It's not something they made up, okay? This salt trick was actually discovered by Harvard scientists and increased blood flow by 300% in over 100,000 men. This is so real, guys, that even adult film actors are using it to increase their little friends and stay harder and thicker. Now, forget pills and pumps that only cause embarrassment, okay? Just go to your kitchen and grab a pinch of salt. Yes. I found a video explaining how to do it, and it's so easy and simple. You can do it at your own home. The video is still online, so I'll leave the link here in the description and comments, but I must warn you, there are people trying to take it down because this threatens their profits. So if you're ready, click the link and watch it now, okay? Tomorrow, you'll thank yourself.